Hello friends, today we'll see how to bring in data tab. If you go, you'll find data analysis toolpack and solver. So you need to see how you need to install it. If in case you are doing it for the first time and you have these topics in your syllabus, what you need to do is like you need to go to file option. Under file option, here you do have something called as options. Okay, in options here, if you see add-in is visible, if you click on add-in, a special tab will come in. This is your special tab which tells you what are the applications which are active on your system and what are the inactive applications. So for me, analysis toolpack and solver both are activated. So let me first deactivate. Okay, in the bottom you can see manage Excel add-in, and there is a tab called as go. Click on go. You see this small tab will appear. This small tab is telling you these are the four options which are available to you: analysis toolpack VBA, euro currency tool, and solver. Okay, so these are the four tabs which you have. Let's say let me deactivate them, because you need to understand how to activate and how to deactivate. What I did is earlier they were activated, I deactivated them simply, and then I'm saying okay. Now when I'm saying okay, let me go back to my data tab once again. Can you see solver and data analysis toolpack? No, it was there in the last, but now it is not there. So now you see it don't have it. So when many of you are going to do it for the first time, you'll not be able to get these two techniques. So you will be seeing your screen like this. So what you have to do is like, let's start again. You need to go to file. In other version, the previous version, you need to go to office button. When you go on office, you will again have options. You click on options. Add-in is what you need. Add-in, when you click on add-in, these are the things which are active. There is nothing active. Everything is into inactive state. You can see analysis toolpack, VBA, analysis toolpack, solver, everything is in an inactive state. Let me bring in these things back. So when I'm saying go, you see system is showing me this tab. So I'm going to click on analysis toolpack because this will help me in doing descriptive statistics. And second is like solver. Okay. So solver will help me in again decision making, critical decision making. So when I say okay, you see this is data tab under which you're working. So now you can see two additional feature added to your software. One is data analysis toolpack, second is in solver. Okay. Now with this installation part, let me conclude my video. I'll teach you something regarding how to do this data analysis toolpack in next class. Good.